sa towers near pass 1. Left side tower tayo, guys. Left side tower. Let's go. Moving. Hitting left tower. Where's the rest? Sige, apply the pressure. Apply pressure lang. If you can jump past your party, please do so then summon. But don't push forward. Just try to hold them off on a better position. Hit the towers, guys. Keep it up. Hell. Space time, hell. Someone taking. Base team, may kumukuha. Hell Rayos, saan? What? Sige. Bala sila. Hindi. Sa likod ba natin? I don't see them though. Request for summons for now. If Hell Rayos pushes in, that's fine. Hell Rayos cannot push towards the tower, so expect them to probably hold that position. If you can spot Hell Rayos member as early as now, try to deny them to reposition. Move up, left side tower. Patayin nyo lang yung stragglers dyan. Left side tower again. Okay, hit Hell Rayos now. Left side tower. Hell Rayos first. Hell Rayos. Focus on HR. Yung walang saint. Doom on left right tower. If that makes sense. The right tower on your left. Si Ralph na lang. Si Ralph. Hanapin niyo si Ralph. Okay, move forward tayo. 12 o'clock camp. 12 o'clock camp. Again, move forward. 12 o'clock camp. Don't go straight to their camp because some Hell Rayos members are there. We want our full force here. 12 o'clock. Faster. Move. 12 o'clock. Camp. 12 o'clock. Regroup sa 12. Get ready to go down. We'll move in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go down. Straight sa campsite. Hell Rayos first. Hell Rayos. HR. Doom on your right. Doom right side. Thank you. Sige, focus on HR, guys. Focus on HR.
Don't forget to expel.
Hey, Wolf, push in the middle in 3, 2, 1. Focus in the middle. Wormholes, please. Sa gitna. Middle. Switch to space time. Majority of HR aren't here anymore. Focus on space time, please. Rayo expel in the middle. We're taking. There's another tower after this. We'll proceed to pushing in 3. Okay, hold first. We'll take first. Pakir lang muna. Okay, core team, retake. Push towards the next set of towers. Let's go. Retake core team. Forward na kayo. Near the MVP. Let's go. Only Garrison and the Mercy Party will remain here. MVP, push also. Garrison and Mercy Party. Just hold. Expel. Keep expelling against Incarnate again. Keep expelling the rest of Incarnate. Expel. Expel lang. Don't let them gain ground. Okay, Mercy Party, you may proceed towards the MVP area. Garrison, hold position. Attackers, 10, 10. Base team should be able to handle that. Those at camp 1, stay inside the camp, okay? Which is Garrison, inside the camp. Anyone near the tower, please let me know if it's open. If you guys were able to break it down.
Breaking now.
Okay, breaking. Dito si Basilio. Wala. Incoming, Vault Big. Ilan yan? Incarnate. Okay, if you guys can pass by the tower. Pass through the tower, sorry. Please do so. 2 minutes, we need to hit it once. Base team, fast expel lang dito, please. Base team, fast expel, please. Base team, move forward, left side, base team. Let's go. Go for break, get ready guys. Go for break, keep rushing in. Base team on your left, near the portal, thank you. Let's go, break. Base team, floor 1, lower left, 6 o'clock.
Let's go guys.
Almost break, 40% na lang. Faster. Okay, nice. 2, 1 to your right. Let it render first, we don't know the situation here. Okay, hitting Risvelio right in front of us. Move forward. There's just 1 to 2 parties trying to cut off. Okay, yours near lower right position. They're kind of spread out. Not sure where the rest is. Okay, it's clear. Okay, hard push towards lower right. Guys, hard push towards lower right, please. Hard push towards lower right, please. Again, hard push towards lower right. Regroup here, please regroup. If you need summons, please request. There's another guild that's about to move in. Nero. This is Nero's, which is... Hold. One guild on your left. Flash, Resveglio, yours. Let's go, left. On your left. Yours. Pares agad si Rap. Keep moving forward, guys. Move forward. Keep it up. Again, take their position. Okay? Don't face them, don't fight them face to face. Just take over their position, hit their backlines as quickly as possible. Sige, eliminate the rest of yours near the choke. After taking them down, we're gonna move to upper right. Okay, we can move to upper right. Move upper right, please. Sige, a few stragglers na lang ng yours yan. Please move up, upper right, please. There's 1 or 2, probably, there's 1. 1 Elinia somewhere. May nag-relax kanina. Okay, regroup towards letter Y before floor 2. Let's go. Those that are out of position, just request for summons, please. Keep moving. We're gonna take left side, okay? Left side portal yung kukunin natin. Left side portal. Any stragglers from Resveglio that are out of position, just take them down. Elinas, usually, mga Elinas yan. If you can, guys, please do so. Ayan, patay na. Regroup at left side. Another party from Resveglio. May Doom, pakiremove agad. They went in. Let's go. On your left. Hard left. Don't go in, ha? Let's go. Andito yung Resveglio sa left side. Preso? Guys, tighter, sa corner. Take the corner because yours are pushing. Again, take the corner, guys. Yours are pushing. Bakit tanggal yung Doom? Please remove Doom. Remove Doom, please. Fast expel. You need to fight this through expel. Again, corner. Hold the corner, guys. Hold the corner on your left. Incoming yung yours, so we have to compress. Or else our backline is toast. Take over the position from Resveglio. Again, take position away from Resveglio. Resu, guys. Pakira sa stock natin. Andiyan yung yours. Corner. Pilitin. May Doom ulit. Pakitanggal yung Doom, please. Wormholes, paki-spam. Black holes also if you can cast. Probably you can cast that. Andito yung 0. 0 is here. 0 na yan. 0 is here. Okay, save zone. Out, save zone. Check your items. Nagagamit ko na. Save zone, check your items. Reconsume anti-fatal is needed. We're gonna fight 0 from that position if possible. Unless they went straight to Resveglio. Okay, save zone first. Hellrise is also here again, so we're gonna fight probably Hellrise in 0. Forward in 3, 2, 1. Let's move forward. Okay, yours, fight yours. Yours is pushing also. Try to fight yours. Hold position, fight yours. Yours muna. HR is also here. HR, they also move. Oh, they were there sa save zone this whole time. Man, did not render. HR. Kaya katabi na nga, tapos di pa nag-render. Thanks, game. Dome on Gris, on myself. Jesus Christ. Please remove. Man, that did not render on my end. Sige lang, sa may choke kami. Choke point. Focus on yours first. Guys, can you focus on yours first? We can't fight HR without focusing yours first. So they're slightly on the left. Okay, they're slightly on the left. So if once you get rescued or if you're coming back from the safe zone area, it's much better if we face or try to hit yours first. Okay, yours muna. Shift to the left side. Shift kayo sa left. Left side, please. Yours muna, guys. Yours. We're not at the choke point. We are at the left side of the choke point where yours is. So it's not gonna render on your end. Just wait for it to render first, okay? Again, we're fighting yours somewhere on the left side of the first choke point at 6. That's directly at 6 of the map. Some Hellrise are also gonna come back from that position, so expect them to show up. Get ready, lower right. Hard push in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Lower right. Faster. 0 and HR clashing. Switch to E-fields, Switch to E-fields. 0, likod nila. Let's go. E-fields against 0. Follow Rap Rap. Rap Rap already pushing. Keep it up. May Doom dyan, may Doom. Upper right na kami, upper right, moving upper right. Chasing down na 0 here, last 40 seconds. Flashing 0 here at upper right. Again, flashing 0, upper right. Sila naman likuran natin kung kaya. Keep pushing guys, don't hold sa backline natin. Wala tayong backline, dire-diretso lang yan. Nadudum lang kayo. Keep pushing. Guys, keep pushing. I keep seeing people holding from the backline. You don't have a backline placement here. Abante lang, abante. Move. Pa-left na kami. Left side, last 5 seconds. 2, 1, out. Outside. We consume anti-fatal, then we'll move elsewhere. I'll check with my scout. Chaos stack. Stack ng chaos. Stack ng chaos, guys. Try to move sa my lower right of that area. Again, try to move sa lower right ng area na yan. Switch to Earth Fields against Chaos. They have 17, 16. They have a lot of Ilinas. Yan, Chaos yan. Sinasay yan. Reso lang ng reso, guys. DVS na yan. Hold. Maybe 0 will come in. They will hit Chaos. Just hold this position. Again, E-Fields, guys. E-Fields. Mag-E-Fields kayo, please. Masakit design. Di push yung Chaos. Ito yung 0. High table. Let's ignore. Back to safe zone. Front. Huwag mga front. Front 14. Front 15. Check din kung may mahanap kayong front. 2, 1, let's go in. Left side agad ha. Hope sa my left, hope sa left. Hope on your left, hope you're on your left. Hope sa kaliwa. Cannon time, let's go. Left side, hope, fast expel, doom on me on player 456, Dockside. Remove. Keep pushing. Hope muna, hope, focus on hope. Buhay pa rin yung doom, namatay kami bring Hilder. Keep moving on your left. Again, eliminate hope. Prio hope. Okay, good. Keep expelling. Galwing will come in soon. Another doom on Crinium. Remove. Patay na yan. Okay, towards their camp. Galwing in 3, 2, 1. Take over their camp. Again, push towards their camp. Huwag nyo silang harapin face to face. Straight sa camp nila. Let's go. Madudum lang kayo dyan if you're gonna wait. Straight sa camp. Fast expel. Move slightly towards 12 again. Just in case another guild comes up. 12 o'clock tayo. A bit 12. Just a little bit. 12 o'clock ng camp nila. Paradurie. Eureka. May doom dyan. Gaspar. May doom dyan. Okay, that's good. Good positioning. Another guild might show up again. Somewhere around 12. Again, somewhere around 12 of their camp. The bar should still show up, okay? Should still show up. 3 minutes 48. Expel in the middle. Expel tayo. Bawasan sila. Syndicate. Saan to? Oh, go down. This is Grit. PDF na. Hindi yung kumukuha. On your left. Left side. Pa-eliminate yung lahat. Okay, pinapatay na ni Rap. Okay, move left side portal. Don't go in yet. Just move left side portal. Let them regroup. This is what we're going to do. From this position, we're gonna move towards the camp. Then gonna go down after, okay? So let Galwing regroup at camp. We're gonna move in 10 seconds. Those that are out of position, this is the best time for you to request for summons. We're gonna move in 3, 2, 1. Back to their campsite. Radicals. Ayan na yung radicals. Hit radicals right away. Radicals. Good. What, out of summon ako, Yam. Radicals. Fast expel. Parang hindi nila makuha yung camp. Well, you can also let them take. Expel. Keep it up. Nice. Doom sa may 6 near Isko, but I think they're just okay. Napatay na yung Doomsday doon. Expel. Nice. Galwing, I think this is still radicals. Okay, we can let them take, I guess. Okay, let's go down. After taking down radicals here, let's go down, ha. Get ready to move out. Fast expel na, last 1 minute 50. Another guild is gonna show up soon. Okay, go down. Slowly, go down. Down. Ready to move inside the left portal. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Left portal, nasa letter Y. There's another guild, that's Hope. Fight Hope, letter Y, middle ng Y. Again, don't face them, don't fight them face to face. Just take their backline agad. Backline nila. Hit their backlines, guys. Hit their backlines. Huwag nyo silang bigyan ng a good position for Doomsday. Expel. Nice. Okay, good. Ito yung likod natin. Puro ilinya na yung humahampas ng likod natin. Just keep pushing down. 1 minute 35. Good. Stop. Go down, guys. Go down. The rest go down. Iwan nyo na yung the rest ng Hope na yan. We're gonna move upper right. Our position will move towards upper right. Another guild will show up. Upper right, another guild is pushing in. Okay, let's meet them at upper right position. Let's go, upper right position. Gullwing, let's go. Fight Gullwing, upper right position, guys. Let's go. Binabasag na. That's good. Asian Gold. Impulse. Safe zone. Okay, rush in lower right in 3, 2, 1. Let's rush in lower right. 5, 4. Okay, out. So you can see Respeglio andito. Use this opportunity to reconsume anti-fatal. You guys have around 40 seconds. It's 14 minutes. So Respeglio, maybe they're gonna show up. Okay, ease in towards left side. Ang goal natin is to try to block the 6 o'clock position. Okay, move towards left side. Ayan yung impulse. Impulse towards left. Ease in towards left. Again, ease in lang. Don't overcommit because Respeglio might push after. Focus on impulse first. Left side, guys. Left side. Okay, impulse. Andiyan na yung hope. Okay, block na sila. Block. Focus on blocking. Blocking this time. Space time. Hold them off as long as you can. Don't let them take our backline because this is the optimal position right now. This is a choke point. But focus guys sa choke point. If you can disable right away. Harap natin. Kailangan ng Resu, please. Our front. Resu. Please, thank you. Okay, let's take the choke in 3, 2, 1. Let's take the choke. Switch E-fields sa backline natin. Just keep pushing forward after. Let's go. Switch to E-fields. Keep pushing. Taking down Gullwing now on the choke. Also hope. Keep it up. Nice, okay. Lumampas kayo dyan sa 6 o'clock. Keep moving towards left. Dapat left side. Ang end position natin is left side. Left side of the choke point at 6. Where the rest of Gullwing and Hope are trying to find a position. There's one Respeglio or I think Gullwing member with a Doomsday, but I think we took care of it. Okay, good. Nice. Okay, rest of Hope on your left. Then we're gonna circle back towards the lower right position, okay? Lower right position in 3, 2, 1, let's move. Lower right position now. Faster, mag-speed kick na kayo. Pag namatay pa rin kayo dyan, that's gonna be, that's on you, okay? Impulse at lower right. Some members of Impulse in Gullwing, mga stragglers nila. Take them down. Upper right tayo. We're gonna hit radicals right away, okay? Keep pushing towards upper right. May time bomber somewhere in the middle. Yup, masakit. May badirs ako ah. X-Dudu ang pangalan. Okay, letter Y. Move. Right before floor 2. Letter Y position, okay? Letter Y position. Let's regroup in the middle. At the middle of letter Y. Look at the map. There's Impulse. Take down Impulse first. Respeglio also here. Take them down. On your left. Near the stairs. Left side, guys. Left side. Go down. On your left. Impulse. Go down on your left. Impulse. Go down on your left. Impulse near the stairs. The rest of Impulse are there. Let's take them down first. Faster. Expel. Patay na yan. Majority of them are dead. Start expelling. Okay, have fun with the expel. We're gonna move up after. 10 seconds. We're gonna move up. We're gonna take the left portal right away, okay? Left portal agad tayo. Okay, portal in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Portal. Reposition your whole team as much as possible. Your party. Left side. In. Okay, left side agad. Summon yung backline. Summon sa backline ng radicals. Summon. Nasa left side na ako. Faster. Good. Okay. Pull kung meron. If not, just collapse under defense. Try to collapse under defense now. Party ko, please summon. Paki-summon ako. Please, thank you. Collapse under defense, please. Then take their camp. Okay, move up to their camp now. Okay, hold their camp. Wala akong nakuha. Check ko na lang sa minimap. There's no other guild that is pushing towards the campsite for now. So you guys can hold that position in the middle. Sa SSCY. Switch ako. Sige, hold nyo lang. Habang hindi ako nasasawad. Kaya mag-switch lang ako. Wait lang. I'll be back. Kimmy, if you're there, take over for now.
Just stay in the circle, guys. And expel. I see you. Make sure you expel.
Save some guys.
Yeah. And if you're not there, ask your party to summon.
Wait lang.
Okay, when you're still rescuing people, none of you should be dying. Hello?
Hello?
Stay alive.
Wait. I'm setting my scout.
Ano ba yan? No dying, there's no enemies anymore. If you die, maybe you tripped or something.
If there's no enemies anymore, go to letter Y position, please. Letter Y.
Oh, wait, Gullwing's coming. Alright, let's hit them, guys. With them.
Okay, Gullwing coming.
At the bottom. Go. Fight them. Expel them.
Focus on right portal side. Just hold.
There's Doomsday.
The double load yung summoner ko. Clock ng camp nila. Faster. Let's go. 12 o'clock ng camp. Reposition sa 12. Try to summon your team on 12 o'clock of their camp. Try to avoid Gullwing as possible, as much as possible. Let's go. 12. Mas maganda yung positioning sa 12. We have to reposition ourselves because Gullwing are also present. Let's go. Keep moving. Nice. Okay, majority of us are here at 12. If you got expelled, just request for summons, please. Okay, let's collapse to their camp in 3, 2, 1. Collapse to their camps. Let's go. Towards their camp. Radicals and Gullwing clashing. It's not gonna show up probably on your side, but that's fine. They're there. Just hit if you can. Ang daming namatay sa gitna. Paki-remove yung Doom. There's probably Doom in the middle. On your right, it's very apparent on your right of the camp. Chaos moving na pa Y. Okay. Remember guys, andyan na yung Chaos. Is it Chaos? Chaos. Infinite? Okay. Hold your position lang. Get ready to move to 12. I don't know who keeps summoning after I'm dead. That's unfortunate. Just keep resuming in the middle and double back tayo sa 12 the moment Chaos shows up, okay? Summon lang, reso lang sa middle. Paki-remove yung Doom sa middle, please. Please keep spamming wormholes. Thank you. Okay, I want you guys to go back to 12. 12, slightly 12 of the camp. Again, slightly 12 of the camp. Once you get resued, move slightly towards the 12 of the camp, please. Okay, long range. We're gonna collapse again. Those that are out of position, again, request for summons. Collapse in 3, 2, 1 towards the middle. Let's go. Middle. Middle ng camp. Daming Doom. Ang daming Doom. Another Doom on lower right. Doom on our top side. Again, sa gitna na tayo. Diyan yung Chaos. This is already Chaos. That's why we regroup. Chaos in the middle. Focus on Chaos if you can. If you can expel a Chaos member, that's good. Medyo free yung right side. Or right side of the camp. If you can navigate towards the right side of the camp. Okay, may Doomsday. Paki-remove. Please remove. Doomsday on your right. Switch to Earth Fields on our right side. Right side. Navigate on your right. Please focus on one side at a time. Right side of the camp. Again, right side. Not upper right. Right side of the camp. 2, 1. Choke point first. Choke point. At 6. Please check. Okay, let it load because impulse are here. It's not gonna show up right away in your screen, but impulse are at the choke point. Focus on impulse first. Keep moving towards right side ng choke. Again, our goal is to move slightly towards the right side of the choke. Another Doom right in front of us. Okay, got past the choke point. Galaw, move. Another Doom on your right. Keep moving right side. Risveglio on your right. Right side na Risveglio. Hard push towards right side tayo sa Risveglio. Risveglio, guys. Focus on Risveglio. If you guys can, take the lower right agad. Lower right. Take over yung position. Let's go. Good. One E-field. Pakilap ng isang E-field, then space time na agad. One good E-field. Then let's ease in towards left. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, wipe the rest of Risveglio on your left. Left side. Chaos na sa taas.
Chaos is coming.
Focus on left. Focus on left side. Ignore. One guild at a time. Unahin yung Risveglio, then refocus tayo sa Chaos. Okay, double back. Chaos now sa corner. Let's go. Last 30 seconds.
Stay there, careful.
Careful, guys. Focus lower right. Collapse na kayo sa lower right. Labasin natin ang wormhole niya sa lower right. 20 seconds. Disable that corner. Disable niyo yung corner na yan. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't think we have. We can try burn Yav vibe small for the last 2 minutes. 1. Lower right. Rush in towards lower right position, guys. Lower right position. Let's go. Chaos already here. May Doom sa lower left. My bad. Lower left position. Andiyan na yung Chaos. Collapse on lower left, guys. Collapse. Go in. Inside. Last 1 minute. Doomsday on the lower left position. If you guys can remove, please remove. Focus lang on Reso, please. Bit laggy now. Nandito rin 7C. 7C is also present. We're gonna spread out in 5, 3, 2, 1. Take space. Spread out a little bit. Spread out kayo konti. Doomsday, lower left. Let's case the corner. Spread out. Get out of the corner. Avoid Doomsday. Last 10 seconds. Make it count. People are not dying.
There's too many kills.
Mababasag pa to.
7C.
Okay. Almost. Yeah, 7C, Chaos, How do you pronounce Roy sa akin? Roy.
R-O-E.
Okay, don't forget to take a photo of your party and then post it in respective teams GC. Again, we have an event on Sunday if you guys want to join. It's going to be the same format from last year. It's a quiz bee, but also if you can just come in with your swankiest costume, we also have a category for that. Okay, so you guys can win